Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an employee onboarding sync error in Rippling. So let's start with the first step, which is to log into app.rippling.com and then open People. Now, any employee stuck mid-onboarding shows a red sync failed badge in the sync status column. So you have to click the row to see which downstream application. It can be Workday, Slack, Google Workspace, and etc. So that's can be the rejected record. Next is reauthorize the broken integration. So go to settings, tap on integration, and then go to connected apps. Now from here, expired AO tokens are the number one cause of onboarding sync errors. So any application showing connection expired, you have to reauthorize them. So you have it needs reauthorization and admin to click the reauthorize and sign back with a full admin account on the platform. Next is fill the missing required fields. So open the employee's profile and click on edit. Rippling blocks the sync with a mapped field is empty, usually works location, department, or start date. So you have to fill every field flagged in red. Then click on save. Now field values must match the exact what the target application expects. Next is retry the sync from activity logs. So you have to go to the applications, then affected integration, tap on activity, and then click retry sync to push the corrected record again. So log shows a live in progress row. So a full sync usually finishes 1 to 2 minutes. So if it fails again, the log entry names the exact field that was rejected. And lastly, confirm onboarding is complete. So refresh the employees page. You will see a green all employees sync successfully banner, and every onboarding status flips the to complete, and then the new hire now has the accounts, devices, and payroll provisioned across all connected apps. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.